Hi, welcome to Dyson Vacuum Spares. Today I'm going to show you how to attach a DC59 wand assembly to a DC59 Motorhead assembly. Now this process is pretty straightforward. All you do, you basically take this end first, okay, and this is your Motorhead, okay, and basically you attach the Motorhead and the wand together till they click, and that's how you attach it. And this end will attach to your machine, which will be the bin assembly, and then you'll be good to go. Please visit our website at www.dysonvacuumspares.co.uk. Thanks for watching.